Hello everybody and welcome to PristineFrog's YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk a little bit about StreamLabs once more because I figured out how to add in the Facecam, which is kind of cut off right here because of the option bar, which disappears once you start the actual live stream. It will not be on the screen anymore, obviously. And to add in even your gaming logo onto the screen. So up in the top left of the screen, you will see the three lines characteristic of a menu. Once you hit that, you will see a lot of options pop up. What you want is the editor in the top left, and there it is. This is the overlay editor. Here in the middle, we have our screen. The bottom left is an image overlay. The bottom right is my video or my camera overlay. And up top is the alert box, which we can go ahead and delete. I don't use that. Now, over in the top right, again, you can see the three lines and an arrow characteristic of a menu, which pops out. There you go. So you can add in camera layers, image layers, or screen layers just right there. That's what I have on there right now. You can also click the plus button down here. So you have adding a screen, you can add a camera, you can add an image, which we already see. You can add text. So if you want to add in the title of the stream or anything like that, you can go ahead and do that. You also have the widgets controls here, which you can do either a custom URL widget or a StreamLabs widget, which again, these are like the donation boxes, the tickers, the chat box, which I leave off because for some reason, sometimes StreamLabs messes up on me. You can put in some end credits, viewer counts, etc., etc., etc. Some good options, spin wheel. So you have some good options here for overlay. But the main thing we want to look at is adding in your image, which is here, which we'll go ahead and delete so that we can add it in again, and your camera. The blank canvas is this. If you unlock it, you'll be able to move and add stuff. You know, you'll be able to choose how big you want it compared to everything else. We will leave it max and we will leave it locked just because that enables it to be easier for us. So let's add in the camera. Now, when you add in the camera, as you'll see, it is pretty big. But because the screen behind it has been locked, I don't have to worry about touching that one. I can go in here now and I can go ahead and move my screen down there like that. And now it is there. So there is the overlay for this. Now see, I can still click on this one because this is locked. If this is not locked, sometimes it gets very hard to click these other items. So I try to leave that locked. Now, if we come in here again, we can also go ahead and add in an image from device, and we can add in our gaming logo. As I was saying, you can go ahead and insert your gaming logo into the mix here. Let's go ahead and get that in there. Add image, device. So here we have it. We can go ahead and where do I have it? I think I have it here. So I can add in my game logo. So here is my channel logo. I can toss that down in the corner, and now that is there as an overlay during the stream. I don't have to add it later on in post-production. And of course, if you're like me and you are playing on a server or a realm that has its own logo, you may want to go ahead and put their logo in along with yours. So here we could toss in the Big Braincraft logo, which is the server, one of the server I play on. Or if I want to go ahead and toss in the logo for Evercraft, which is... So I cannot find the logo for Evercraft at the moment. I don't remember where I put it. But as you can see here now, we have our gaming logo. We have our server logo, and of course we can move these around wherever we want them to be at for this for any particular video. I try not to cover up the StreamLabs logo just because this is a great platform to stream your stuff, and it's for free. So yeah, if you guys like this video, the next one that I do will be about streaming to multiple platforms, which you can also do through StreamLabs. So I will show the two ones that I use. I will stream to both Twitch and YouTube at the same time. And this way I can show you guys how you set it up and make sure everything is running nice and smoothly in the settings and everything. If you guys like this, please leave me a comment down below saying that you did. The comments in Discord are nice. I appreciate those, but if you do it on the video, it allows me to track it easier because I don't always see the stuff in Discord on time or at all. But if you put the comment on the YouTube video, it will get to me very fast. I will see it. It'll pop up on my screen. A notification comes up on my little notification bar, and I will know that you have left a comment, and I can respond to it faster. If you want to see more stuff like this, or if you like this video, please leave a like. Subscribe if you want to see some more content like this. The people who are subscribed are the ones that help push this channel in the direction that they like. So at the moment, I'm cutting down fluff in my channel. So the game reviews I was trying to do just weren't worth it in regard to the views. I had another Minecraft series that I was doing that wasn't doing anything really, so that got cut. So really, it's you, the subscriber, that helps influence this channel's direction. So if you like these videos, make sure you let me know, and I'll do more of them. If you have questions about StreamLabs or just streaming on a mobile device at all, let me know, and I will do a video about it if it's video worthy. If it's not, I'll leave a reply to your question. Until next time, later.